I'll show you how to install Facebook on your Android device. Whether you're setting it up on a new phone or reinstalling it, I'll guide you through each step to get you connected quickly. Let's dive in. Before installing Facebook, let's make sure everything's ready. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Facebook requires some storage, around 200 megabytes for the initial installation, so ensure you have enough space on your device. Facebook is compatible with most Android versions, but having the latest OS version will give you the best experience. With these basics covered, let's move on to the installation. Find the Play Store app on your Android device and open it. In order to install an app on your Android phone, you need to be logged in with a Google account. It is possible that you have not added an account on your Google Play Store. If you get to this screen, then it means you need to log into a Google account. If that is the case, we will guide you on how to create or log into your Google account. If you are already logged on to your account, skip this step by clicking the timestamp from the description of the video. Tap on Sign In. It is possible to be asked the PIN number or the fingerprint to continue to the next step. Follow the on-screen instructions. Now we reached another screen that gives us two possibilities. One is to use a Google account that we already have, or another option is to create a new account. We will talk about every option. Let's see how we can log into an account we already have. Type your email address or phone number associated with your Google account and tap Next. Enter your password and tap Next. If two-factor authentication is enabled, complete the verification process. On this step, select the proper access. Use this device for you or for a child and tap Next. Review and accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy to complete the sign-in process. Tap I agree. You can disable the backup if you do not need it on this page, but I suggest to leave it on. Now, tap on More and then Accept. Now tap on Get Started. You can verify your purchases by using biometrics or using your password. If you want to be faster, I suggest using your biometrics, but you can choose what you want. You can now install any app from the Google Play Store. But what if you do not have an account on the Google Play Store? How can you install apps? You need to create an account. Do not worry, it's fast and easy. Let's reset to the screen where we needed to log in to show you how you can create a Google account. Tap on Create Account. When you make a Google account, you are presented with the option to choose the type of account that best suits your needs. Let's take a closer look at each type of account. Personal account. This is the most common type of Google account and is designed for individual users. A personal account provides access to a wide range of Google services such as Gmail, Google Drive, Google Photos, YouTube, and more. It allows you to manage your personal emails, files, and online activities, as well as customize your account settings and preferences. Account for your child. Google provides a specialized type of account designed for children under the age of 13, known as a Google Account for Kids or Family Link. This account is created and managed by a parent or guardian who has their own Google account. With a child account, parents can set up parental controls, manage content restrictions, monitor activity, and approve app downloads. It allows children to access age-appropriate Google services and gradually gain independence online while ensuring a safer digital environment. For work or My Business. Formerly known as G Suite, a business account is tailored for organizations, businesses, and educational institutions. It provides a comprehensive suite of productivity and collaboration tools, including Gmail, Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and more. When choosing the account type, it's important to select the one that aligns with your specific requirements. A personal account is suitable for individual use, while a child account offers parental controls for younger users. Business accounts provide a robust set of tools for professional purposes, facilitating communication and productivity within organizations. We will select a personal use account as that will do the majority of you. Once you're on the Google account creation page, you'll need to provide some personal information. Start by entering your first and last name in the designated fields. Tap Next. Select your birthday and gender and tap Next. You can create a Gmail account or use your email address. If you use your email address, you will be getting an extra step to verify the email. You will receive an email with a verification code that you will need to provide to Google so they can verify you are actually the owner of that email address. Because it is easier and it does not cost anything, I will select to create a new Gmail address. Next, it's time to choose a username and password for your Google account. Your username will be your Gmail email address, so pick a unique and memorable one. If your desired username is unavailable, you'll be prompted to choose an alternative. Also, you can tap on Create Your Own Gmail Address and pick a custom username. After you are pleased with the username, tap on Next. Take a moment to think of a strong password, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. This will help secure your account. Then tap Next. It's important to add recovery information to your Google account. This includes providing a recovery phone number and an alternate email address. In case you forget your password or need to recover your account, Google will use this information to help you regain access. Make sure the phone number and email address you enter are valid and accessible to you. I will skip this step. Tap Next to confirm your new email address. On these steps, you can personalize some settings. I will use the first option as I do not wish to go on every step and make this a very long video. You can choose whatever you would like on this part. Now you will have to confirm settings and cookies. Scroll down and tap on Accept All or Reject All. Scroll down and tap on Confirm. Scroll down and tap on I agree. You can disable the backup if you do not need it on this page, but I suggest to leave it on. Now tap on More and then Accept. You need to accept the terms of service for the Google Play Store. Tap Accept. Now tap on Get Started. You can tap here whatever you want. You can now install any app from the Google Play Store. Tap on the search icon from the bottom. Type Facebook in the search bar and tap Search. Facebook's official app, marked by the familiar blue logo, should appear at the top of the results. Once you locate the Facebook app, tap Install. The app will download, and installation will start automatically once the download completes. After installation, you'll see an Open button. Tap it to launch Facebook. You're all set. Facebook is now installed on your Android device. And that's it. Now you know how to install Facebook on your Android device. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying connected on Facebook.